Did a big shop, scratch off like lotto. Bitch, try your luck.
Alright, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, you want to know how I edit my YouTube videos? This is the video for you. The equipment that I use is my Nikon D3200, that light that I bought from Walmart, my MacBook Air, my iPhone XR, and the software that I use is This is a video that I was thinking about using, but I'm not sure. This is trying makeup on for the first time by myself. How to screenshot. You press Shift Command 4. Once you do that, then you can easily do this, take a screenshot, which you hear that there. All right, so next up is to copy and paste. So let's say I want to the ending. Nope, this was a bad idea. So what I do, I click on it, Command C to copy, click here, Command V, and it pastes. So that's how you copy and paste. As I upload the footage into iMovie, I just go over it and I cut. So you can go here and press Command B and it cuts. And if you want to undo that, press Command Z and it undoes it. Yes, I'm sorry I'm not very good at explaining things, but I'm practicing. So let's go on to Ken Burns. So Ken Burns is like you zoom in and you zoom out. Let's try this clip here, which I'm like, I like this, the glitter. So I click on it, then I press the cropping, I press Ken Burns. I want it to start out here and to end up on my face. So I press enter and let's see how it goes. Oh, this is so pretty. I like this, the glitter. Okay, so how I do my thumbnails, I use the apps Photo Grid, Fonto, and the VSCO app. So what I do, Photo Grid first, I put the ratio 69. That is the YouTube thumbnail border. I erase the Photo Grid logo. That's how I do that. I save it. All right, so I do VSCO, then I tap this photo, import, click it, edit it, and then I press whatever, save. All right, once I do that, open up Fonto. I press the camera, I go to photo albums, then I press the photo, done. Then I can add text, which let's say, what text I want to use. I've been using this one recently. How I edit my YouTube videos. So grab it, we're gonna size it, move it down so it can fit. Style, what I usually do, I put on white first, style, I press third A to last, so that one, this one. Go back, press a color, change it up to a different color. You can do that, and then you can curve it, which I do sometimes. I curve it. This is an example. It's not right, it's not looking pretty, it's not correct, it's just an example. So that there, and then I just save it down. So section 4 is overlays and green screens, and what I use is I use Fonto, PixArt, the overlays here. Alright, so 2 29s and 35. So that's how I do that there. So let me show you. I actually got this palette from Walmart. So right there, I get the palette from Walmart. So go to Fonto. When I go to Fonto, I press the camera, plain image. I customize it to 1280 times 720. Then I press the color, I turn it to green, apply, use. Alright, so then I can put Walmart there, size it up to make it a bit bigger, style it. You can do whatever you want. It doesn't have to be exactly what I'm doing, but this is just to show you guys. So what I do to make it easier on me, I airdrop the photos and everything to my laptop. So AirDrop to Brianna MacBook Air. Pop up here, I drag it out. Once I do that, open up. Then I drag it onto here. Once I drag it, then I can drop it down. And since it's a green screen, make sure to put the cropping, put fit, so it doesn't do the Ken Burns effect. Then I put green screen, and voila. And look how it was. I actually got this palette from Walmart. And that's how I do the overlays / green screens. You want to know how I do my borders. The Fonto. So Fonto, drag it along. Okay, let's say I want to put it under this part. Let's put it here. Drag it out. Then place on top. So this one you can put picture in picture. Drag it out. If you don't want the border, I put it to 0. And then play it and let's see how it looks. I like this. This is actually pretty fun. So I hope this comes out right. I hope it comes out nice. I don't know, because I don't know what I'm doing. So that's how I do my borders in my videos. So I just usually go to Fonto and that's how I get my borders. And it's easier, it's fun, it adds something to the video. All right, so here is how I get overlays or green screens, sorry. Search up green screens and you can find some here or search up like green screen effects. As you can tell, I was looking through this one before, and it's like green screens like that. So what you can do is copy, Command C, copy, and then go to Google and search up YouTube. So just click on any one of these links here. Then since it's obviously a green screen, so you're going to put MP4, Command B to paste, convert, and you see that's the name of the video, downloading. All right, click download, and it's downloading right here. So that's how you get your green screens, and I'm going to show you how to put it in your video and how to just have the green screen. So. And there's a video right here. iMovie. You can go to downloads, the green screen, import, and let's do the Snoop Dogg dancing. So, Command B, you can delete that. We'll just put out that much. You can delete the rest. And you can add it here. And what you do, you click on it. You press green. You press the 2 squares, green screen, blue screen. And then how it goes. I feel like I'm missing something. And make sure if you do use somebody's green screens, you know, if they read the description bar, it'll say to give them credit or not, you know what I mean? So, la, 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 la. The last and final thing, how do I get music and sound effects? So, literally the same exact thing. So what you do, go to YouTube, put in, but make sure you want to use copyright-free music. So, I will type in copyright-free music. Then you can go to this. There's like many different ones. I just use like I go to this aesthetic music, and then I find like the name, like say okay, you can look up Strawberry Kisses. Alright, so what you do, you copy the link, and you can refresh this. Go back to the YouTube converter, Command V, convert, and then you click download, and then that's how you get music and sound effects in your videos. Just the same way as if you want the actual video, that's how you download videos from YouTube. So, yeah.